I'm super excited about something I ordered recently, and I just picked it up, and it's gonna be super cool. I've been looking for one, and I found a really good deal, and I can't wait to show it to you. Check this out right here. It is this cool little Matchbox transporter. One of the best things about the transporter is that this one that I purchased off the marketplace has one of the little cars in the back too. And the little ramp folds down and out comes the little Lotus Formula One car. This one has the driver in it, but it's a bit dirty, bit filthy, so we're gonna clean it up real quick. Here's a tip for you. So I keep my super glue in my beer fridge and it'll keep it nice longer. In fact, this glue is from 2017. Well, now that our racing transporter and accompanying race car are all cleaned up, nice and shiny, thought we'd talk a little bit about what makes this little model so unique and interesting. So initially I thought they were the same, and when I look at them a little more closely, they're actually quite different. He's missing his steering wheel, as you can see. This one has his, but there's this little nacelle, this little hump here, and then of course the exhaust comes out the sides as opposed to by the rear axle. And when you look at the back, the green car has a more rounded rear end as opposed to seeing the differential on this red one. I have this one in blue also. But what I thought was also interesting is this one here is just it's not a licensed product, while this one says Lotus on the bottom. So it appears to be an actual rendition of the Lotus Formula One car of the era, which I think is pretty cool. Looking at the decal on the side, we have the racing transporter decal, and then beneath that we have a couple of racetracks, speed racetracks, Le Mans, Sebring, Silverstone, Nürburgring. That's pretty cool. So the ramp attaches to the back door. The back door drops down. And so we have room for 2 race cars. And then there's some little hooks in here. You look right there, there's these little hooks that the bottom of the ramp can attach to. So that kind of keeps it in the upper position. And now we have room to add another race car on the bottom. Good to go to the track. And so we'll see you at the races. So the transporter was a pretty cool little purchase. I paid $40 with the race car in the back, and while it was a little dingy, it cleaned up really nice, so I feel like that was a pretty decent value for what I see these selling for. So I'm happy to display it here in my office. I don't know, I just like to have cool little cars surrounding me while I work, so I'm really excited to have this added to the collection. And I'm really excited to see you on the next SpinRivet.